Welcome back to MSlide for food menus. If you're ready to master a simple way to edit dish titles, descriptions, and prices, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through updating your menu with ease. Let's get started. First, let's get you logged in. On the MSlide website, look on the top header bar for the login icon. It's the small profile symbol. Click it, and you'll be in the login screen you see now. Type in your username and password, then hit the login button below the form. This takes you straight to your personal dashboard. Now that you're in your personal dashboard, at the top, you'll see a menu with 4 options. Click the first one, labeled Dish Item Text Updates. This opens up Google Sheets. And now, let's explore your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. It's divided into 3 columns. The first column is marking slide numbers. Each number matches a screen of your menu. The second column is where you can rewrite your menu contents, dish titles, descriptions, and prices, in this row order for each item. The third column is for any comments you might want to add. Next, let's see how your edits in Google Sheets update the live menu view. Let's change a dish title for this purpose. Switch back to your Google Sheet, find the exact row where your dish title is set. In column B, click on that cell, and you'll see the editing function active. Just type your text edit. So that's it, your edit is now showing in your live menu. Any change you make here syncs directly to your MSlide menu in real time. You can repeat the same action with your descriptions and prices of the menu at any time. We recommend for an agile experience to download the Google Sheets mobile app, and you can always do your editing from a laptop or desktop computer if you wish. Happy editing!